This actually, when you sent me the picture, I was like, oh man, you know, it's fucking tight. That's gonna, this part for sure is gonna work.
I think you're gonna have to be like at least this. Seems pretty fucking easy. Pretty like the only thing I may have to do is like kind of like, you know, fuck with this. And fuck
Yeah,
with
I thought.
But this kind of like, it's not a 90. It's kind of like.
I don't really think it has to be.
It leans in a little bit, which would kind of fuck with where it ends up sitting on the fucking end of like where the muffler goes to.
So you might have to tack it up and shove it in there.
This is greater than a 90, and this is less than a 90.
Straight, but you have to remember there's about 1.5 feet of piping that goes from the muffler to that point.
Oh, and you have to make that loop or it won't clear the suspension. You have to go up and back to. Okay, I get you. Unless you just want to take the sawzall and cut all of that suspension out.
That would be great.
So we're going to fucking Lowe's because, yeah, it doesn't have acetone. What do you need that for? Cleaning the metal so you can weld it? Or what?
Yeah, because when they do those mandrel bends, you know, because it's cheap fucking Amazon too, they don't clean it, so it just like has all that fucking grease on it.
So it won't weld good with that shit on there. Dude, sometimes they have good cars there at that lot. And maybe Ace would have it, huh? That'd be a lot closer than fucking fighting this fucking bullshit traffic. What'd you just say back there? Alright, Wyatt. Who did this shit here?
Fuck.
Fucking Ace, dude. Look at those legs, dude. God damn. Wait, is that it?
Yeah. I could smell it.
Uneventful trip.
I don't know what that is.
Where? Oh, there really is a cum stain. Jesus Christ. Can you guys not lay down a towel or something? How hard is that?
Dude, man.
What?
You can't prepare for stuff like that.
And damn, my phone storage is almost full already. God damn.
Get you one of them fucking Chinese fucking...
The fake 2 terabyte micro SDs for $9. What was it, $9 or something?
Yeah, I think it was like 14. But yeah, I legit asked him that question. You know, like they were like actually 2 fucking terabytes.
Well, it's been so long since I looked. I thought they might, you know, every couple of years they come out with some new huge fucking socket.
Came out with that new fucking shit.
Definitely gotta cut out the touching kids.
The touching what?
The touching kids part.
Touching kids?
Why touching kids or Nathan touching kids?
Yeah, because it's legal for you to touch kids because you're a kid.
Well, there's a gray area.
I mean,
Well, there's
is that recording?
no, but we are sponsored by
We are not
military.
sponsored.
We're not sponsored by anyone because we have 3 views. My baby here. Oh yeah. Any last words? I mean, any words? Any comments?
I'm dying a virgin.
That sucks. Me too.
Actually, you know what? That actually don't work that bad on my phone.
Any words of advice?
Suck dick.
Not yet.
Do drugs.
He does. Suck dick, do drugs.
Fuck femboys.
Fuck femboys. Holy shit.
It's gonna be difficult to put that on the YouTube video, but let's see if we can do it.
You're fucking. You're discriminating.
Yeah.
You're discriminating his fucking way of living.
Sorry, man. I didn't mean to fucking discriminate against
Yeah,
your.
dude.
That's fucking.
Yeah.
You can't do that.
That's not very inclusive of you.
Yeah.
Oh, my bad. You fucking